What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of do it yourself paint my dream car. So I have my car outside right now, took all the newspaper out, and it's ready for wet sanding. So since the sun is up, so that's going to help the water to dry out, speed up the process a little bit. Then at the end, I'm just gonna put some paint over it. So hopefully that at the end of the process, everything will be smooth. I'm not looking for any car show status type of thing. It doesn't need to be perfect, but at least look decent, better than what I had before. Sandpaper that I'm going to be using is 600 grits, and then wet sand it, make sure everything is all smooth. So that's what I'm looking for, and let's do it. Okay, so I finished wet sand the whole car, and so this is the good time to double check to make sure everything is smooth. This is the time, and sometimes you might miss some areas, so I'm going to go around and make sure that I didn't miss anything. So this is the time. So I am done. Double check the whole car, make sure no more roughness. So far so good. Everything's all smooth. So at this time, I'm just waiting for the car to dry, and after that, just gotta tape all the trims and put newspaper on the windows, and ready to paint. The paint that I'm going to be using is Rustoleum. This is just a gloss black, and This spray paint, it shoots up to 10 inches wide. 10 inches widespread. So first time using this, and hopefully I don't have to use it too much, because you know it will cover a lot of the areas. Maybe I would say 2 bottles. I would say 3 at least. All right, so I already wiped down the car one more time, and you know, cover all the windows with newspapers and cover all the trim that I don't want no paint on. So yep, this is the moment, and let's find out. Don't forget your respirator. This is a KN95. So I don't have the one that, you know, the professional mask, but I think this will do. All right. I hope you guys can see in the garage. It might be dark, so whew, I'm scared. Oh yeah, it will not be perfect, okay? I'm aware of it's going to be some potentially going to have some paint runs and orange peel. So orange peel, that will come. I'm not too worried about that. I could always, you know, sand it down and buff it at the end. So yeah, we'll see. All right, the first layer is going to be light. Second layer, it will be a little bit heavier. All right, test shot. Ho ho ho. Wish me luck. All right. I'm just gonna let it dry for 15-20 minutes, and then come back and do a second coat. Not bad. Wow, I'm just impressive.
20 minutes later.
Second coat. Finish the second coat all around. So I'm gonna let it dry for 20 minutes and we'll come back and take a look at it.
20 minutes later.
Finished result. It doesn't make a big difference, but it does look better than before. And as far as the front bumper, I'm not gonna worry about it. My main concern is the body wise. There are some orange peel. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, so I have a little run right here with that Rustoleum Turbo can. Is pretty aggressive, but overall, you know, it does its job. For the roof, no more flaky clear coat, so hey, it's decent. But again, there are some orange peel that needs to be wet sand, and then probably do some buffing, and that will make the color shine. Alright guys, that is it for this episode. Yeah man, prepping is most important and it's time consuming. So once the prepping is done, all the fun will come after. But on top of that, you know, you're gonna have some paint that runs and orange peel and all those stuff. It can be fixed. So I still got a few that needs to be touched up and wet sanding, then polishing. So, you know, buffing everything, so that will make the color even more shinier. So at this time, is where it is, and it looked better than before. And so yeah, I decided just to keep it gloss black. I do have some other colors that I have in mind, but I'm gonna go with this route for now. Maybe, you know, down the road to the future, I'll change my color to the color that I really want. But I'm not gonna tell you guys that. But yep, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And as far as the rear bumper, I'm not gonna paint that as well, but it will come out. So I'm gonna take the rear bumper out. So that's all you guys need to know. So it's gonna be something cool that I'm gonna put in the back. So I'm sure you guys know. But yep, thanks for watching, and I see you guys next time.